This is number 17 through 19. Number 17, it says find the length of AB. Well, what we notice here is we're dealing with segments. And if you'll notice, these two segments intersect on the inside. So we had a property that said that we could do this part of the segment times this equals this part of the segment times this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 6 times x plus 5, because those two segments are cut in two, and that's going to equal the 12 times x. Now I'm going to solve. This is going to give me 6x plus 30 equals 12x. Subtract 6x from both sides, and 30 is going to equal 6x. Divide both sides by divide both sides by 6, and x is going to equal 5. But our directions were to find AB. AB is going to equal the x, which I just found was 5, plus 5 plus 6. So I just plugged this x in here. So 5 plus 5 plus 6. And that's going to give me a total of 16 units. Alright, let's do number 18. Number 18, what we've got here is a tangent. Nope, actually that looks like a secant. So secant and a secant. If you'll remember, the way that we do this is that we're going to do the outside, so that would be 21, times the total, so that would be 2x plus 8 plus the 21. So outside times the whole thing, so this segment and this segment added together, equals outside 27 times the whole thing, which would be x plus 27 here. And we're going to clean this up. So I have 21 times, it's better to go ahead and combine your like terms, so I have 2x, and then 8 plus 21 is plus 29 on the inside, equals, I can't do much on this side, so 27 times x plus 27. So now I'm going to go ahead and multiply. 21 times 2x would be 42x plus 21, give me just a second, 21 times 29 would be 609 units equals, this would give me 27x plus 27 times itself, 729. Now I'm going to subtract 27x from both sides. So when I do that, I'm going to get 15x plus 609 equals 729. Now I'm going to subtract 609 from both sides. And I'm going to get 15x is equal to 120. So now I divide both sides by 15. And x is going to equal 8. And we're supposed to find the length from T to V. So I'm going to write that up here. TV is going to equal this unit right here, which is 21, plus this unit right here, which is 2 times x. I just found x to be 8. Plus 8. So give me just a second. And TV is going to equal 45 units. Number 19. Number 19, here I have a tangent and a secant. This I don't know right here, so I'm going to call that x. So here we go. It's the outside piece, 70 times the whole length, which would be 70 or 70 squared, equals the outside piece, which is x here, times the whole thing, which would be x plus 48. Now we want to clean that up. 70 times 70 is 4,900, equals x times x is x squared, plus x times 48 would be 48x. Now I'm going to move this to the other side, so 0 equals x squared plus 48x minus 4,900. Now if you're using the TI-36X Pro, I showed you guys a trick today. If you go to second, polysolve, which is this cosine button right here, you're going to get this here. This very first formula here is the quadratic formula, so you could use the quadratic formula on this. I'm going to push enter. My A is this number right here, which is going to be 1. Now push enter. My B is this number right here, which is 48. Now push enter. My C is this number right here, which is negative 4,900. I'll push enter. And I'm going to solve. and it tells me my first x value is going to be 50, and my second x value is a negative, which that doesn't help me out in length. So I'm going to stick with x is 50. So if x is 50 here, I've been asked to find PQ. PQ is this amount right here, which is 50.